Then we're gonna use this palette and use this shade and this shade mix for the... Sorry. I've already spent at least 2,000 rupees on it.
Video.
എന്റെ മുടിയൊന്ന് ചെയ്യൂ, നല്ല വൃത്തിയിലിരിക്കട്ടെ. അവളെ ഭംഗിയാക്കാം. എന്റെ പിച്ചക്കാരിനെ പോലെ.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing my mother's makeup, and this is the first time I'm doing makeup for her, and let's see how it goes. So first I'm going to start with prepping her face. I'm going to start with this first to just get that dewy finish. Then we'll apply some sunscreen. Then I'm going to apply this primer from Mars. Then I'm gonna use this Tear foundation. Yeah, am I zoning out?
I'm zoning.
Now that the foundation is all over her face, I'm just gonna go with blending. Then I'm gonna go with this concealer from Too Faced. Now I'm going with some setting powder.
Contour.
Don't blink, don't blink. So now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette and I'm going to mix this shade and this shade for the eye look. So this is what we've gone for the eye look. It's a very subtle look because I don't want to do anything heavy. So this is basically it, and I'm going to go with the highlighter and setting spray, and then we're going to be done with this. So now I'm going to use this highlighter and I'm going to use this shade to highlight her nose and other areas. A little bit over here just below the eyebrow and a little bit over here. Now I'm going to put this lip balm. Okay, so now we're going to go with this lip tint. Very little. We're going to use this Maybelline Banana lipstick. Now we're going to apply setting spray and then just get done with it. Now to set it all in, I'm going to put this setting spray. So this is the final makeup look. I think I've made her really pretty, and I've done the makeup look that I always do on my face, and she's never done makeup before, and it's like really out of her comfort zone, and I have done this for her. She does like basically just lipstick and powder and like I think maximum like a mascara, and that's all she uses. And I think I kind of slayed with this one because she looks really pretty, and I think it's very subtle and it's not like heavy, and it really suits her face. I somehow found the shade match and everything was perfect, and I'm so glad it went well. And yes, I love how it turned out. I think she also feels pretty. Do you feel pretty? Do you feel pretty?
Yes.
Okay, so that's it for this YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is my first video with my mom, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and more to come. Bye!